I recently stumbled upon a new AI tool that turns long videos into viral-ready shorts in mere seconds, and it is honestly a total game changer for creators. The best part is that you can manage the entire workflow directly from your phone or laptop, which makes pumping out content on the go incredibly easy. You simply upload your long-form footage or just paste in a YouTube link, and the platform spits out perfectly edited, captioned, and formatted clips. There is absolutely no need for tedious manual editing or fiddly exports, because the AI handles the heavy lifting so you can just tweak and publish. I want to walk you through how I use this tool and why it consistently outperforms most of the other software people seem to be raving about online. First, there is a generous free tier available, which is perfect if you want to test the waters and see how it fits your workflow before paying a dime. I really appreciate that because so many other tools demand your cash up front before you even know if the product actually works for you. The interface is incredibly simple. You just upload your file or paste a link, and the system immediately confirms your video with a clear title and thumbnail. Once the video is in, you get to choose your preferred aspect ratio, whether that's vertical for TikTok, square for Instagram, or widescreen for YouTube. The extraction mode is where the AI really shines, allowing you to choose presets like viral clips, trailer, or specific product highlights. I usually stick with the viral clips preset, which is designed to identify those high-retention moments that catch a viewer's attention right away. Another huge feature is the automatic captioning, which is non-negotiable since most people watch videos with the sound off while scrolling their feeds. You can choose from a variety of caption styles to match your personal branding, and everything is fully editable inside the built-in editor. The AI is smart enough to detect logical start and end points, so it never leaves you with awkward jump cuts or sentences chopped off in the middle. It captures the essence of a topic perfectly, making every short feel like a complete, standalone thought rather than just a random slice of footage. I pulled up one of my clips where I talk about earning money for photos, and the tool pinpointed exactly when I started and stopped speaking on that topic. If you need to adjust anything, you can jump into the editor to swap caption styles or trim the length in a matter of seconds. It even generates a short description complete with hashtags that you can copy and paste directly into your social media posts to save even more time. Many other tools only do one thing well, like just trimming or just captions, but this platform bundles all those essential features together seamlessly. The content calendar and auto-schedule features are the true standouts, letting you set a posting cadence that runs itself without needing constant supervision. Having one single dashboard to see your scheduled posts across every platform is a massive lifesaver when you are trying to stay consistent. Because you can manage, tweak, and publish everything in one place, you avoid the headache of exporting files to 5 different apps just to get them online. The editor is lightweight yet surprisingly powerful, allowing you to reframe videos for different aspect ratios and polish transcripts whenever necessary. I also love how the mobile and desktop versions stay perfectly synced, letting me start a project on the subway and finish it at my desk. It is important to remember that this isn't magic. If your original footage is poor quality or shaky, the AI will obviously have its limitations. But if you start with solid content, it finds the best bits that people actually care about and turns them into ready-to-publish assets instantly. Comparing it to other services, you are essentially saving the cost of 3 different subscriptions by using one tool that handles clips, captions, and scheduling. It takes the heavy lifting out of the content creation process, which is honestly the biggest barrier for most people trying to scale their online presence. Check out the link in the description to start your free plan and see if this fits into your current content pipeline as well as it fits into mine. I have been using it to batch out shorts from my longer videos, and it has genuinely saved me hours of editing time while boosting my output. Give it a spin, see how it works for you, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.